Welcome back to the farm, guys. You may be wondering why we're in the orchard with a bunch of boxes. Well, if you put 2 and 2 together, it's time to pick something. And it is the perfect time right now to pick our Bartlett pears. Don't know if you guys know this or not, but pears actually ripen reverse of other fruit. So pears will ripen from the inside outward versus apples and plums and cherries and such that will ripen from the outside in. So with that logic, if you wait for a pear then to get ripe on the tree, that nice yellow, soft, sweet smelling, more than likely the inside of your pear will be rotten. When you go to bite into it or when you go to can it, it may not be full rotten, but it'll be really soft and mushy and won't can or freeze very well and probably won't taste that good. So how do you know when is the perfect time to pick Bartlett pears? It's actually very simple. First thing is, pears typically in the Pacific Northwest are ready about the 1st to 2nd week in August. So we're about week 2 of August. We've been away at church camp for a week, so we're just a little bit behind. But upon checking them, they are actually pretty darn perfect right now. So all you got to do to know when to pick them is do this one simple thing. You find a pear, you lift up on it. If it comes off easy, it's ripe. See, that one's a little sticky, so it's not quite right. Oh no, he came off. There you go. And let's check one more. Yep, see, those are coming off really nice and easy. Now, we went ahead and checked most of these trees that we have. We have 4 Bartlett pear trees, and 80 to 90% of the pears are ready to pick. And so we're gonna go ahead and just pick all of them, because what we do is we go and ripen them inside. So how do you do this? This is really simple as well. All you do is set the pears out in a nice, cool, dry place, like on a table, or we use them in our barn on some shelves, and give them about 7 to 10 days, and just check them every few days, and they'll get that nice, yellow, soft, sweet pear smell to them, and then you know they're ready to eat, they're ready to can, or however you guys like to use them. Personally, we can a ton of pears, and we use them eat them for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We use them on cottage cheese. We use them in pies and such, and they're a staple in our household. So it's, yeah, very simple to know when Bartlett pears are ripe and ready to pick. And like I said, you don't want to wait for them to be ripe on the tree. Just check them by the lift method and then ripen them yourselves. So let's get to picking and get these in the barn.